3/8 inch and 7/16 inch nut drivers are required to install Hangerless SpanTrack. It is compatible with any standard pallet rack with step beams. Set the front beam to the desired discharge elevation. Set the rear beam at a higher elevation. The front beam should be set approximately 1 inch per foot of depth below the rear beam. Rest the track on the ledge of the step beam. Next, adjust the rear end treatment so that it fits snugly between the beams. Once you have adjusted the rear end treatment to the desired position, tighten the bolts to secure the track in place. Finally, test the pitch to ensure proper product flow.